Hello friends, my name is Arha. Today you're opening the new tablet, LCD writing tablet, and you're going to begin to open it. Okay. This is the magic tablet, and it's just so cool. And look at this. And because this button is gone again, and I'll tell you the rules. And this is what's getting a little water. It said tap it. Look, you see a little bit. Go closer, and you draw it. And you lock it. Look. And let's draw something. This is all the list up. And let's draw something now. You like it? And Bluebird! What did sing with me? What did this? Bluebird! Okay, good. Okay, you want to make something else? Okay, Emma, what do you want? Snowman? Okay. Don't see that. This is a most secret. How do you like it? You want to make it again? And what do you want? A rainbow? Okay. That's great. How you like it? Good. Okay. Yes, Emma. You want to make a square rainbow? Again? Okay. like it? Okay, let's have stuff. You want to make a lollipop? Okay. Guess what now is gonna have that? Okay, you like it. Bye friends. I hope you like my video.